Beiji Sony, what is your first few words of 2006? How do you feel? Did you have a good night?
I've got one thing to say. That's it.
Any more?
I really wish I didn't have these hiccups. Because hiccups are the worst thing you need at the end of the night. Because, yeah.
Beiji.
Oh.
Can you stop making so much noise with your hiccups?
I'll try.
You can do it very quietly if you want to.
Oh!
See? No. Can't be asked, can you? Cannot be bothered.
Just watch.
Like your sneezes. Like your sneezes. Like your yawns. You have to make noise. You attention-seeking motherfucker bitch. Yeah? You have to make noise. Why? You want to hear? We want to know this. There you go. That's good. Keep it quiet.
I'll try and watch the
Keep it quiet. If the next one you make a loud noise, I'll punch you in your head. Right in your head, like this. Oops. I'm not really here.
See, it's gone. It's gone.
Boo!
There we go. It's finished. And that's the end of that.
Roll it the right on.
Rosie.
Musical.
Magical.
Merry-go.
Hello.
And